Welcome back to TechRadar. I'm Deputy Editor John McCann and you're watching me unbox the brand new Google Pixel 4a in what the box bills as the world's smallest phone launch. We will be doing a full video review of this phone very soon, so make sure you follow us on Facebook or hit subscribe on YouTube and click that bell icon so you're notified as soon as that video review goes up. In the meantime though, let's jump back to this unboxing and see what we've got. First up out of the box is this sheet of cardboard with a pop out and make stand for the phone. You can stand it up in the standard portrait way, or you can be tilted to have the phone camera point directly at the sky to use its astrophotography mode, which we'll get to in the full review. Let's take a look inside the special box Google sent us for the Pixel 4a. Unfortunately, you won't get all of these bits and pieces if you order the phone, but we'll take a deeper dive and see what else we've got. First up is this little metal circular tin, and it says it contains the bittersweet treat. Sounds interesting. Absolutely. We'll come back to that. We've also got the square cardboard box, which has the mini mouthful in it, apparently, whatever that means. And then we've got this glass bottle of drink, which is quite interestingly included. It's also well packed in. It's not particularly easy to get out. Let me just give it another go. Here we go, pop, out we come, and it's a mocktail. It's the Negroni aperitif, a non-alcoholic take on an alcoholic cocktail, which is interesting and might whet my appetite for what else is there. Here is the pamphlet, the world's smallest phone launch pamphlet. This includes specs and some key details on features of the phone, and then the actual Pixel 4a box itself. This is the box that will arrive if you order the phone. This handset has a Snapdragon 730 chipset, 128GB of storage, 6GB of RAM, a single rear camera, a single front-facing camera, and a 5.8-inch display. But before we crack on in that, let's take a look in this little tin. Here's a squidgy watermelon treat. Let's taste. Nice, squidgy, smooth, fruity. Let's see what's in the cardboard box. There's a series of small crackers with some seasoning on them. Let's give them a taste. Oh dear, I've gone sweet to savoury, and that is a party in my mouth that I am not enjoying, so I'm going to leave the drink because let's move on quickly to the box. Peeling off the security stickers on the back of the Pixel 4a box with the little hashtag Team Pixel. If you are indeed Team Pixel, let us know in the comments. And there we have it. There is the Pixel 4a in just black, is the colour that Google has for this. And as you can see instantly, there's a rear fingerprint sensor, and you can see the square camera block. It's quite a cutesy, compact design. But we'll just set it down to the side and we'll continue to see what else you get in the actual phone box, moving out the phone tray. And there are a bunch of the standard sort of pamphlets that you'd expect to get, just sliding off the plastic sheath on them. The bright blue leaflet is a quick start guide. Then you've got the security pamphlet with various interesting and thrilling things for you to read. And finally, there's a sheet which includes the SIM tray opener and instructions on how to open the SIM tray on the left side of the phone, allowing you to pop your SIM card into it. Right, let's see what else we've got in the box. We're not quite done. There are a few things left inside this box. And first up, there is that plug adapter. It's got a USB-C port on it, so you won't be able to use a standard USB cable. You'll need a USB-C to USB-C because that's the port on the phone and the plug. Luckily, that's also included in the box. And it's also a quick charging plug block, 18 watts. You also get this little USB-C to standard USB connector, so you could plug that into the bottom of the Pixel 4a and then use a more traditional charging cable if you wanted, but we wouldn't recommend it. And you also get this USB-C to USB-C cable, allowing you to charge with said block and phone. But of course, all of that pales into insignificance when it comes to the main thing that we're all here for, and that is the Google Pixel 4a. Let's peel off the plastic sheeting. Oh, always an enjoyable moment of any new phone. 5.8-inch display, Full HD Plus resolution, an OLED panel. Around the back, there's that single 12-megapixel rear camera, fingerprint scanner and flash. Also on the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie camera in the top left of the screen in that punch hole layout, so the screen does wrap around the camera, which looks kind of fancy. The back of the phone, it's relatively minimalist, the design. It's smooth plastic. It feels solid but not overly premium. There's a headphone jack at the top, which is rare these days. On the bottom there's USB-C port and speaker. And there's volume and power lock on the right side. That power key is a sort of mint colour, a nice little bit of accent colour to what is pretty much a dark black phone throughout. The screen is bright enough, but we'll go into more detail on that in the full review. And that is the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos either. I've been John McCann. Follow me on Twitter at JJMcCann, and remember to head over to TechRadar for all the latest news and reviews.